be continued.
Follows. Today we are in this beautiful forest near the settlement of Carcinoi. Today we have a lot of things with us, but it won't really be a proper hike. We found a flat spot nearby where we'll set up camp, and all we need to do is carry our things there. Friends, I assure you, we've never filmed a video in such a beautiful place before. Continuation.
Should.
On this meadow, friends, we will now set up camp. Here though, we need to tidy up a bit, clear the area of grass, but as a first impression, the impression is just wonderful. We've always dreamed of camping in a place like this for the first time.
We've actually never spent the night in the forest.
Actually, nothing at all. The most important thing is that we didn't have to climb a mountain. So, while Opti is digging a pit where we'll have our campfire, where we'll be roasting the meat. Today, friends, we are going to cook a lamb leg in a pit. First, we need to trim off the fat, but I already did that at home. If you're not familiar with cooking lamb, make sure to do this because there are lymph nodes in the fat, and they always give off an unpleasant smell. There's another lymph node located closer to this joint. You need to cut the meat like this under the joint and remove it from there. Here it is, you can see it clearly. This white fat here, we need to remove it because there's a lymph node inside it and it will make the meat smell unpleasant. We need to remove this piece of fat. I didn't even know it was there. Many people who don't like lamb say they don't like it because it kind of smells, it has a smell. It's exactly because of these lymph nodes, because many people don't remove them. Now I'll show you clearly. Here it is, I won't cut it, otherwise I'll have to wash the knife. We throw all this away, I'll do it separately later, it's gray in color. Be sure to remove all the crust and all the fat on top before baking. I already removed it at home, so there's really nothing left to do here, we'll do it now. We'll make holes like this in the meat and stuff it with garlic and rosemary. You like how rosemary smells, right? It's really cool, such a fresh aroma. So, we already have the garlic chopped, now we'll start stuffing. Garlic, a sprig of rosemary. If anyone didn't know, rosemary and lamb go together. They were simply made for each other, a perfect tandem. It turns out really tasty.
If it didn't taste good, we ordered a drink. This bone...
By the way, friends, you can cut it off because we don't really need it. You can remove this because it will just take up extra space in our pit. So now we just need to pepper all of this and add some salt. Your hands are clean, but mine are greasy. Why don't you use the grinder? Turn the grinder. Well, this one.
Let's use the grinder. Personally, with this grinder,
And how many times a day do you do these exercises?
doing this exercise 12 times can alleviate back pain. It really works.
Ha 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 ha. What's our next step? We use tomato sauce to play around a little.
With the bushes?
Not on tomato sauce. You threw quite a few sticks. Throw a little more. Let's go. What about you? Now we need to wrap all this in foil nicely. Let's lay it out.
Like this?
Just like this. The way it's lying here. Put it like this. In principle, it can already be cooked, but since we have a lot of time to spare, we will.
You put it like that and I'll...
It crunches.
And aim.
Something. Come on.
Yes, we're heading out.
Let's wait an hour while we do something else. Now we'll go down to the river, the one we crossed at the beginning of the video. There's just magical water there, and it's so hot and stuffy here right now. When was the last time I relaxed like this?
So long ago, not this place. Very, very. Like in Disney fairy tales, magical. I want it like in that cartoon.
Honestly, we imagined it a bit differently. We wanted to lie down a bit longer to fix things. But the water is just freezing cold. 10 seconds is the maximum time you can spend in it, but it still really wakes you up.
And I swallowed a little stone.
How long did you search for this spring?
Oh yes, I was worried that we wouldn't find it.
So it's time to light the fire. I'm here alone for now. The guys went to try to catch some trout, but I don't think they'll succeed because the water is very murky. We need to make a pretty big fire to heat up this ground well and to make sure there are enough coals left. I think we'll keep this fire burning for about an hour and then we'll put the dough in here. The meat is nearly done. Let's make a quick side dish. I've pre-cut the young potatoes. And we'll add onions, mushrooms, and bell peppers. We'll fry it in the kazan now. Under this soil is our lamb shank. Pray for me. Come on, not a person but a potato. It will be a potato. Add the onion an hour after the potatoes. There's too much heat there where it's normal. Endure, soldier.
That's how we...
Teamwork, agitator, active role, agitator. Yes, now the mushrooms are coming, as I said. You have to end them. Reduce their size.
And here's the finishing touch to our mini masterpiece. For some reason, Mama liked it less. Yes, well, still, it's coming to an end.
Now we caught some meat from this chef.
Now comes the most important moment. We'll be taking out the meat. Whom?
Who's our provider?
I don't know, maybe you? You know how deep it is, right? You won't find anything scary. Just be careful, just don't do it like that. Good job. And yes, you know, Kel, the white booze, the berry on the edge, like this, when I get it, carefully, carefully. Now yes, I put this even closer to the foil, made a path, helping the bird somehow. Wait, you don't even need to help with a fork, take it.
Culinary moment.
A fork. To give a fork. We're all waiting, probably you are with us too. The climax and the resolution.
Drums.
Here it is.
The seam is going.
Now, Rizzi marinade. Oh, wow.
What heat?
How cool this will look. How cool this will be. Yes, Sin, come on. That's how I want it. That's it.
I desire a barbaric approach, my friends.
Just try one piece. Wait, a small piece won't be enough for me.
I want...
Big brother, try it. And at this moment, I want to remember our dear brother Apti,
Who
bought this meat, but unfortunately he couldn't come and organize all this together with us.
Oof, boya!
This is just unreal.
Come on, you too.
Try it, I'm waiting for your reaction.
My reaction is this is food.
Bro.
We called him directly, just in time. It's not dry, it's not rubbery, it's just right. We basically caught a really cool timing. Of course, we don't have a dish like this.
We've never had it before.
I think we're rushing this. The bread is somewhere over there. Let's go ask for it. I don't know. Somewhere. Oh, yes, at the table. Oh, at
The chair, at
in the bag.
So I haven't tried it yet.
No.
Mead, how he looks at it, is not customary to praise, so I'll keep quiet too. This is done really well and it turned out delicious. We've never set such a table outdoors before. Yes, Mama, never. Apti, I think he'll be joining us quite often. He'll only come for the episodes where we're cooking something. Yes. Right now I feel really sorry for him. I'm talking about this Apti.
Yeah.
About the redhead, yeah, Apti. He'll call us when you go to the forum. I thought maybe I could make this. You can do it like this or like that. And when you open it, all the videos there will be about food. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Be sure to try making something using this recipe. You can cook absolutely any kind of meat this way in such an improvised oven. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like this video, leave a comment so it gets better ranked, and I'll see you in the next episode.